Hi guys, welcome to the Rustic Handyman. A storm went through a while back and the homeowner had a limb that fell down, fell on a wire. The wire pulled the electrical box off the house and he ended up with damage to his roof, his soffit, and siding. So this video will give you an idea of what all is entailed in fixing that if this similar thing happens to your house. And if you're a handyman, this will give you an overview of what's involved and maybe give you an idea how to quote this. I quoted this by the job, not by the hour. So I'm hoping to get this done in 6 to 8 hours. Got this that got ripped off. Some roof damage there. Well guys, on this job, I suggested to the homeowner that he change all the siding and all the roofing on this little partition here. But he was really concerned about having insurance money from the adjusters to cover it. So he wanted just replacing what was damaged. So don't judge me. I would have changed it all to make it match really nice. But this is what we had to deal with, and I respect his decision. The power company had already been out and put in a new power meter on the side adjacent to where I was working, so I didn't have to deal with any of that, which I was thankful for. So we're gonna have to replace some of this underlayment here. That board is gone. This board is gone. So I'm not really sure what was holding this up actually, unless this, there's a little bit still left here, I think. This broke off. So we're gonna have to replace some of these. It's not coming to my mind right now what these are, but we're gonna have to put some of these in here to support this. Then we're gonna have to cut some of this off and put a new piece down that closes in this gap. Get some new shingles, get a little underlayment there, put the soffit back up. Now we gotta deal with some of this siding. They didn't have any house wrap behind this siding, and I didn't have any with me, and I didn't want to go buy a whole roll of it. I just used some 30-pound felt paper and put it behind here. It's better than what they had, which was nothing. Looks like the wrong angle. Yeah, just bring it in a little bit. All right, I measured a 20-degree angle to start with, but it's more like a 15. I don't know how I got off, but I had to straighten it out a little bit. Yeah, 15 looks really good. Not a lot to screw into. That wood isn't super good back there. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and get this piece of F channel on where it goes so we can finish up the siding here, and then we'll finish up the top. 44. There we go. As long as I can get it in behind here. Oops, a little long. I think I'm just gonna put some wood back there. So when I bring my fascia around here, I can sheet it around or something so it can cover that area up, because I don't know what they had there. This is all tore down from the storm. I'll take that back out while we're doing this. I wish I would have saw that earlier. Would have put it in behind this whole thing. Maybe loosen it up. Slide behind it. Oh yeah. Sweet. And we'll just cut a piece. Goes back there that whole length of the backer. Oh yeah, look at that. Put some nails in this thing so it doesn't keep moving around. Now we can at least get this last piece or so of siding up. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot to put my J channel up there. Now, got hides right underneath there. Okay. And then I have to slit one more piece here to finish that off. 1 1/8 and 1 7/8. Okay, and this must be a little long. Well, we'll try it. Yeah, right. Get that. I'm gonna need that other install. Oh, now it can't go over far enough. That's a good thing though. We can cut a little bit off. It's a better end. cleans the bottom of that off so it's not sticking down in the way.
Are you recording still?
Yeah.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this. It always amazes me how people put their trust in you to get their problems fixed, and I never take it for granted. Till next time, guys, good luck with all your projects.